Welcome back to another video, a passion for detailing. Today we are going to be talking about snow foams and are they a waste of money? So sit back, relax and let's get at it. So the reason for this test is over the years I've noticed sometimes snow foam isn't always as everyone thinks. Everyone thinks it lifts all the dirt off the panel, means that you can go straight on with the contact wash and there's no dirt left behind. But the truth is that isn't actually so true. Reason I say that is some of these formulas are pH neutral and they don't always lift all the dirt off the panel, and you're going to be very surprised with the results from this test. But stick around to the end to see what those results are. The products we are going to use today in this video is G Technique W4 citrus foam. This smells fantastic. If you like lemons, obviously the citrus gives it away. It smells fantastic. A firm favourite of mine over the years is GYEON foam. I actually do have a ceramic coated car. Obviously this is pH neutral, so it really does aid with the longevity of the ceramic coating. And the next one, something I've been using a little bit of recently, is BILTHAMBER Touchless. Sorry, this is the big 5-inch can. We're going to be doing some tests on a really dirty Mercedes, and this is my mother's car and it hasn't been cleaned in quite some time. The test will consist of the products all at 3% PIR. If you don't know what that is panel impact ratio. And we are going to do 3 separate tests, jet them off and see which one removed the most amount of dirt. Please bear in mind, do not use any of these products in direct sunlight and make sure you're working on a cool panel. So let's get out there and do the demo. So as we're going to apply these products neat straight onto the panel, as they are watered down already at 3% PIR. As you can see, the car is absolutely filthy dirty, and we're going to leave these to dwell for about 3 to 5 minutes, as you would a normal snow foam. Oh, I think we need a little bit more on that one. Yeah, I agree. And yes, we're going to simply just rinse off with a pressure washer. This is the stubby gun. If you haven't seen my review on it, click at the top right hand side of the screen, and the product is from Into Detailing. I will also leave the product in the description below. A fantastic buy, if I must say myself. Right, so yeah, a thorough rinse to make sure I've got all the product off, and to make sure the test is as fair as I can keep it. Let's bring you in. So we can dry the panel off. This is the touchless, the GYEON and the W4. Let's dry this off. So let's look at the W4. So this is the one from G Technique, and you can see it has made a slight impact, but it's definitely not clean because you can still see that there. GYEON foam again has made a slight impact, so it has done a bit of job, but it's still relatively dirty. And the BILTHAMBER one, sorry I lost the label, has done a phenomenal job. Even down here, where the others, there's, if I zoom out, you can probably see a bit better that the BILTHAMBER one has done a very good job. Again, it's not perfect, but there's hardly any surface dirt there in one stage. The products, hopefully you can see them there. So up here is the BILTHAMBER, the GYEON and the W4. I think you will agree that that BILTHAMBER one there is absolutely phenomenal. And these two here are mediocre. And they are a lot more money Wow, what results! I was not expecting that whatsoever. So, the first one, GYEON foam. This is GYEON foam. This is, for 1 litre, about 16 quid, depending on where you buy it from. It is pH neutral. W4 from G Technique, again, about 12 to 13 pounds a bottle, so slightly cheaper for 1,000 ml. And then this here, BILTHAMBER, 5,000 ml, £22.95. Would you or would you not agree with me that for 22 quid, bear in mind what we've just seen on that video, is much better value for money? Please bear in mind a few things though. The 2,000 ml bottles there, so the GYEON and the G Technique, are pH neutral according to the manufacturers, and the Touchless is actually pH 12. So arguably, this is what I think, would I be disheartened or upset if my wax or sealant didn't last 2 months because this is pH 12? No would be my answer, because I enjoy the process of applying the wax, applying the sealant and washing my car and looking after it, and I'm sure you guys that do too, well, otherwise you probably wouldn't be watching this video. If you've got a ceramic coated vehicle, I would suggest, this is from my experience, that you do use a pH neutral snow foam, okay? Reason being is it will help the longevity of the coating. So if it's a 3-year coating, for example, you want to maximise the length of that coating, where with a wax or sealant you can keep applying it and it's quite an easy process. You haven't got to wait 24 hours for it to cure and not wash it for 14 days and all that jazz. So it's a caveat. Which one would you go for? So let's just sum this up then. Right at the beginning of the video, did I say that snow foams are a waste of money? The answer to that question is yes. Do your research, look at reviews, watch some videos on YouTube, because if I was going to buy a snow foam, now doing the test on those 3 products, I would go straight out and buy this. Reason being is ease, value and cleaning power. I want something to clean the paintwork, so I'm not, when I do the contact wash, getting swirls and scratches from the wash process. And yes, you can use the 50 million bucket process to make sure you don't scratch your paintwork, but if you don't use a good quality snow foam in pre-wash to remove the worst of it, as you saw, you are going to scratch your paint. So just please bear that in mind. So I'm going to wrap the video up there, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want to try a car dryer, click here. That is my Blow RS video. It's very blowy. I'll see you in the next one.